Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro, and today I will show you how you can activate Hey Google on this smartphone. So at the first you have to go for the Google folder, find Google app, tap on the more, move to the settings, click on the voice, and then tap on the voice match. Right now tap on the switcher, click next, tap right here. In my case, the assistant can already recognize my voice, but in your case you will get the window like that. You have to say OK Google for the 2 times, OK Google, OK Google, and Hey Google for the 2 times. Hey Google. Tap next, and as you can see it's finished. Right now when you say Hey Google or OK Google, it will be activated. So let's try. Hey Google. As you can see, it works. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.